Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Nissan Qashqai N-Motion. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, producing 158 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 20,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the ink blue and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As for everything inside, with the N-Motion, the car comes with lots of features. A few I can mention. First of all, you've got the electric heated front seats there. And as you see, these are in great condition. There's also an armrest and two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation and DAB radio, for example. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. One of the features I like best is you've also got the full-length glass roof there, which lets in plenty of daylight. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so as we open the rear doors, you have a nice wide door opening there, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original Nissan carpet floor mats too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, so at the moment at its highest position you can hide bits underneath or remove it completely to increase the volume. And then the bottom floor reveals the bit of extra storage there and also the tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the diamond cut alloy wheels and also 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.